Hi, I'm Leav from Option Samurai, and today I want to show you one of the filters I check the most, the expected value. Sometimes it's genuinely hard to tell whether an iron condor or any vertical spread is wide enough to actually turn a profit. And it's even tougher when you don't really know the underlying stock. This is one of the reasons why we introduced expected value, or EV. In the scanner, we get it from the stock's implied volatility, which we run through the Black-Scholes model. It's a quick, naive estimate of your trade's edge. Think of it as a fast way to scan across lots of trades and compare them. And if you want the heavier treatment, our Find a Trade feature runs a full Monte Carlo simulation. We check thousands of possible price paths for the stock and give you the average expected value for your option trade. Okay, let me show you. Open any Iron Condor scan and go to the filter called Expected Value. Set it to Profitable, and you will only see trades with a positive expected value. Or set your own threshold, a profit number big enough to actually get you into the trade. Run it, and every result clears the bar you just set. Now add the expected value to max loss ratio. This is a way to line up totally different tickers side by side, something that tells you whether a trade may be worth the risk you are running. And you're not stuck on iron condors, by the way. Let's jump, for instance, to a credit spread, like the bull-put spread. You can use the same filters I mentioned, or add the ratio between the expected value per day and the max loss. It's the same idea as before, but this time you will be able to compare trades that use different expiration dates in a fair way. So you're weighing edge, risk, and time all at once. Quick heads up though, this is a purely statistical tool. It doesn't know about catalysts like earnings, so don't treat it as gospel. But it's something I always check, and I haven't found it on any other platform. For instance, you can pair it with our Black-Scholes profit probability and your own research. Alright, that's it for today. Feel free to sign up and enjoy a 2-week free trial if you want to try the expected value filter with real trades.